Hi folks, welcome to my garden. Today my son Jude and I are planting some bell pepper seeds and I'll show you a little bit of my garden. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. See you soon.
It's okay, just pick it up.
Mum, I done it.
Okay, fill it up more. Fill it up to the top.
It is hard job.
It is. Okay, very good.
Almost there.
So do you know what these are? You know the peppers that we eat? You know, in our salads?
Yeah, spring onions.
Yeah. Yeah, see these seeds here?
Spring onions.
See these seeds here?
Yeah.
They're the seeds from inside a pepper. So this one here is going to be a red pepper. Hopefully. Yeah. This one here?
Yeah.
That's ginger.
Ginger.
Yeah. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take these ones out and put them in here so they can grow on their
I
own.
don't really love ginger.
I know you don't, but it still is nice to eat. Okay.
Here I am just putting my seedlings into a small greenhouse alongside some coriander, basil and some flowers. I will keep you all updated on their progress. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. See you all soon.